Have you ever done so bad on a test that you apologize to the teacher? Like, I remember during my final one year, the teacher did everything in her power to make sure everyone did good on the test. She gave us a bunch of study guides, so she really wanted everyone to pass. But unfortunately, this was chemistry class, and I'm no Walter White. I was awful at chemistry. No matter how much teaching she did, I just could not understand it. So when the final came around, I literally left half of the test blank because I didn't know how to answer any of the questions. But I felt so bad because of how much effort the teacher put into preparing us. So when I turned my test in, I literally wrote on the front page, "I'm sorry, I tried my best," with a frowny face. The next day, she pulled me to the side and asked me what she could have done better to prepare me for the test, and I literally had to say, "It's not you, it's me," because that was the truth.